Welcome to adding boilers to your vGuide web account. We'll start in your web browser. Go to the URL line and type in vguide.viessmann.com. Once the page loads, you can go ahead and log in with your username and password, same one used for your Viessmann account. Once logged into the main page, we'll start by pushing the menu button in the top left. This is the installation tab shown here. We'll go down to the invitations tab below it. Once we're in the invitations tab, we'll go ahead and push the new invitation button in the top right. This is where it's going to prompt us to input the boiler's Wi-Fi serial number. Once the serial number is put in, you can go ahead and push the send button on the bottom right. If you do get an indication that this boiler's installation does not exist, the homeowner has not connected the boiler to their vCare app. After a possible phone call to your end user, once it's connected to vCare, you'll be able to send the invitation again in the same fashion as before. This time you'll have a pending invitation that will then need to be approved by the homeowner within their vCare app. They'll go into the settings function in the lower right corner. After it's approved, in a short refresh on my screen you see here in front of you, you'll notice the invitation will disappear, and we can go back to the menu tab and go back to our installation screen. Back in all of our installations, you'll notice a new VitoDens 200W has appeared. We can now click on this tab and we'll have access for remote monitoring, and some subtle changes are available to do so in this screen. As always, thank you for choosing Viessmann.